Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a tally ledger. A ledger is a fundamental accounting record that systematically organizes all your financial transactions. It helps you track where your money comes and goes, providing a clear picture of your financial health. We will cover the essential steps to set up and maintain an accurate ledger, ensuring your financial records are always in order and easy to understand. This process is crucial for any business or personal finance management. Every effective ledger entry needs specific components to be complete. You will always include the transaction date, a clear description of the event, and a unique reference number for easy tracking. Crucially, each entry will have both a debit and a credit side. Debits typically represent money coming into an account or an increase in assets, while credits usually signify money leaving or an increase in liabilities. Understanding these two sides is key to accurate record keeping. When recording transactions, precision is paramount. For every financial event, you will post the debit amount on the left side of the respective account and the credit amount on the right side. This adheres to the fundamental double-entry accounting system, where every transaction has an equal and opposite effect in at least two different accounts. Maintaining chronological order is also vital, ensuring your ledger accurately reflects the sequence of all financial activities. Finally, balancing your ledger is a critical step to ensure financial accuracy. For each account, you will sum all the debit entries and all the credit entries. The difference between these two totals represents the account's current balance. It is essential to regularly review these balances to confirm that your books are in equilibrium and to quickly identify any discrepancies. A well-balanced ledger provides reliable financial insights and supports sound decision-making.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.